All right, so on this video, we're just going to do a quick rundown of the tanks that we have on each vehicle. So the first one, of course, is just a normal gas tank, fuel tank there, and it's got the gauge there to let you know if it's full or not. This second tank here, the largest that we can have in the state of Florida is a 100-gallon tank. Now this one's a 50-gallon tank because it's a smaller truck that we have it in, but you'll see this range from 50 to 100 gallons. But this is our bleach tank, and you'll hear me say over and over again that this is the most commonly used chemical that we use. This cleans all of our mold, our mildew, our algae, our pollen. So we use bleach every single job, just about every day. So that's our bleach tank, and we get this at a place called SCP over in Tampa. We buy it in bulk, and you'll learn about that later on, but you'll be filling the tanks up here. And then lastly, the water tank. Another theme you'll hear over and over is every time you get to a job, one of the very first things you want to do is start filling up this water tank, because again, you can't work without water. So make sure you get in the habit early of understanding how important it is to, when you get to a job, fill it up with water. And then when you're at the job, paying attention to the water levels, because you don't ever want to run out. If you were to run out, then you need to hustle back to the truck and turn off the machine and let the water fill back up. When the water runs out, the machine will begin to cavitate. You'll notice it. It's a very distinct sound. So unfortunately, it happens more common than we'd like, because some of these places don't have a lot of water pressure. But our water tank there. And then if you do have too much water, at the end of the day, you're washing out buckets, or you're about to leave the job site and you have too much water in the truck, you need to, in the tank, you need to drain it. Each one of these have a little drain tube here, which will allow you to discharge the water, wash your hands, flush out buckets, let water out of the tank. There's a variety of reasons why this is useful. But that's the video on our most common tanks on each vehicle.